Yes, sir. So loud. Yay! Oh, it cracked! It cracked! Oh no! Oh no! Welcome back to the most consistent YouTube channel on YouTube. Well, maybe not so consistent. I know you want to see a G80 get crashed, but first I need to explain to you how the day started. The day started with us going to SA Talk. We were going to check out some, some cool cars and film for you. And if you want to see a better filmed video than mine, make sure you check out Car Enthusiasts 11's video. He goes more in depth, as you're about to see. I don't really film that much because it's full, but yeah, here's how the day started.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be.
A Huracan 580-2 here, matte silver, black rims, blue calipers. Here we have a 911 Carrera GTS, and here we have a Mansory Lamborghini Urus. Look at this thing. Look at the size of those wheels with a carbon barrel around them. My goodness. My goodness. Look at the front of this thing. Oh my word. Carbon everywhere. This thing looks insane. Right along next to the R8 as well. My word. This is maybe the most insane looking Urus in SA right now. I don't know, but it looks insane. The presence of it, my goodness. Wow. Mansory kid, 10 out of 10. Here we have the new Aston Martin Vantage. Oh wow. In this metallic black and silver rims, kind of. Yes. My goodness, the spec on this is absolutely beautiful. So firstly, you have like green seats on the inside, and it's a gated manual as well. Oh my goodness, it's so clean. It is so clean. Right next to this I almost said GT3 Touring. Right next to this 911 991.2 GTS, yeah. And this blue color, it almost looks like a GT3 Touring. Oh my word. It does look good next to that Ferrari, I want to be honest with you. And then there with a souped up GRRS. I'm not going everywhere because like it's packed. I can't film nothing. But then yeah, there we have a souped up GRRS, and yeah, there I'm gonna show you a couple cars as well. So yeah, there's 3 Sears. There's 2 of them. There's another green one which you might see. I don't know where it is. It's very packed. I can't film it. But yeah, here we have an M3 Sears, satin white with gold rims. Beautiful. And yeah, over there we have a 325 IS next to a F80 M3. Which one would you pick? And someone said the perfect 2-car garage doesn't exist. Oh my word. Here we have a 991.1 GT3 RS. Here next to this half convertible, half high-top BMW E30. I don't know what it is. It's debadged, so could be lying. But yeah. And then here we have the VAG Boys Golf 4 S3 GTI 996 Turbo. My goodness. In real life, this thing is so clean, it's crazy. Then here we have a box out, the Martini livery, M2 comp, couple of M stickers. Tech Hard 911. It's got kit for days. Front splitter, side skirt, spoiler, and probably a tune. So it's probably faster than stock. Then, my word, this This M8 from a distance looks stock, but the closer you get, it has Vossen rims. It has darkened taillights. It's got big exhaust. So I just know that this car might be a madness leaving here. Here we have, ooh, is that a 507? We have a 507 C63. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, well, that thing hasn't aged a day. Then here we have the E46, boys, and this E30 on air. It's like on the floor, like literally on the floor. Looks sick as well. Nice E46 cab, and I think and an 845. What? Oh my word! This thing sounds insane. Jeez, this thing sounds insane. Oh my word! Yes, sir. And as you know it, when cars leave a car meet, it does get a bit rowdy. For example, the vet boys are leaving. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes sir. Yes sir. Oh yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Oh. That's a point. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Leaving tire marks on the floor. It's crazy out here. It's really crazy. M8. Oh my God. M2. Of an 845. Oh my word, GT3RS. Fastest 845. Oh man. And this tune TTRS. Oh my word. That cover is crazy. Ooh. Oh my word. We have an M2 com GR M140. Woo. We have the M6. That's 2.5. TTS. Oh yes. Yay! Yay! Oh my God! Yes, sir! Let's triple up. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Yes, sir! Over 835 and 135, let's go! G8M3. That's so loud. That's so loud. Yay! Oh, it crashed! It crashed! And yeah, as soon as I turn my camera away, you guys decide to crash. Maybe next time try crash on camera. But yeah, apart from the jokes, the Scirocco did crash into the G80, but luckily no one was injured. Everybody was safe. You know, these things happen. It's life.
This guy just lost it.
My God.
Oh my word.
Oh my word.
Oh my word. Oh
Shit.
my word. Let's make sure guys.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What the fuck? Oh my word. Damn. The Scirocco hit that M5. That M3, I mean. Oh my word. Oh my word. So this is what happened. The Scirocco failed to stop, and yeah. Luckily no airbags popped, and luckily everyone is okay, but yikes. It's not a good look at all. Not a good look. Thought it was just gonna be a day out, car meet, but it ended in a bit of, you know, disaster. I think what we could learn from that car meet is we should be safe, keep safe driving distances, and well, try not to end up in generational debt, because I don't want to crash into a G80, and I know you don't want to crash into a G80. So be safe, drive safe. We have an M240 there, the new Vantage. I'm zoomed in. Uras, Uras. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and yeah, tell me what you think of this new sort of style. Should I keep doing it or not? Till the next one.